Hey guys, stay tuned because today is the day that we are cutting up the Vic. Cutting the roof off, cutting the back of it off. Let's get into it. Real quick though, before we get into that, I'm gonna get this trunk off of here, and then I need to pull the wiring out of the back doors because I'm trying to save as much of the wiring harness as possible. I also need to make sure I'm not going to cut into any wiring in the back of the car, and I need to pull the dome light wiring out. So let's do that real quick, and then let's get this thing cut apart. Gather up all the change out of this car too and subtract that from the purchase price. If you ever want to mess with your Ford buddies, on most Fords in the left rear corner, there's this little switch right here. It's like a rollover or an impact switch. If you give this thing a real hard, wrap with your fist, it'll pop, and it cuts power to the fuel pump, and the car won't start. Let me see if I can demonstrate it. There she goes. Reset it. Don't ask me how I know. So I just found something pretty interesting. When I got this car, there was no owner's manual in the glove box. I figured it got lost. Well, after pulling all the trunk stuff out, I saw something down in the corner here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that is the factory owner's manual, still in the packaging. Which also means I'll have the code, should have the code in there for the door keypads. If I were to use those, I'm probably not going to, but it's kind of a neat little find. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I started opening it up. It's a little water damaged and wet, which is going to be expected. Here's your tire warranty guide. That's of no use to me. There's also another warranty guide, again of no use to me. Kind of waterlogged and damaged. What's this? Oh, just some packaging information. And then I would just start to open this up. I didn't open it up all the way because I saw something kind of cool. That is a brand new in the package, another key fob. I got one key fob with the car. I have a brand new, never used keypad for this thing. Wonder if it, let me see if it'll work. Batteries are probably dead in it. But that's cool. And then I wonder if, I don't think the door tag's in here. But hey, at least I have a owner's manual now, because in these Fords they don't list the fuses in the fuse panel. You have to actually go to the owner's manual. So having this, I mean, I could pick one up, but just now I have one. So once this thing dries out, that's perfect. All right, let's keep going. Well, I don't have the wiring pulled out of the doors yet, but I can't wait to start cutting on this thing. I'm gonna start getting the roof cut off of it right now, and then I can go back through and pull the wiring out of the doors when I'm ready to cut the back of this thing off. But let's get this roof cut off. No turning back now. There you have it. Kind of like a target top, I guess you might say. All right, let's keep going. We're building ourselves a go-kart, boys. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up on this episode of the Hawk Project. We're going to continue cutting on this thing next time, so be sure to stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment or questions down below, and I'll answer those as I see them. Thanks for watching guys, have a good day.